Well, I was gonna head out, but then I totally forgot that my cold air intake was taken apart. Alright, so here's the oil spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the top of the crown. So it said just let it sit for about 20 minutes, let it wick, and then come back and touch up any areas that are light in color. Alright guys, so it's been about 20 minutes, and as you can see, it kind of did wick down just a little bit. I don't know if you can tell the color change in there. But so what I'm going to do now is just touch up the bottom areas and get it to be a uniform red color. So let's do that. Just let that sit for a little bit. I'll clean up the edges here. And what to do with it? I don't know, guys. What do you think? Twin turbo? I don't know if I want to take the intake off, because I did spend $1,000 on that intake manifold and lots of time to put it in, and I did spray my eyes with gasoline putting that in, so I kind of don't want to mess with it anymore. I'm thinking twin turbo, or maybe a fat pro charger in the front here. Yeah, but only time will tell. We'll see. Once I get down that road to actually force induction, we'll see what I decide on. And done. Alright, let's see here. How are we gonna head out? Matt's having a barbecue, so I go over there and hang out with him for a little bit. That right there. Yeah. Alright, well, yep, data log time. Maybe I can data log this before my computer dies. I just gotta get it set up here. It's gonna take a little bit, because one, this computer is slower than dirt. Wait. You might be asking why I'm going to be data logging today. It is because recently the car has been acting a little funny. I'm not going to say that it's been acting horrible, but every now and then when I'm driving, I'll be coming to a stop, and I'll have my foot on the brake, you know, slowing down. I'll push the clutch in, you know, probably a good 4 seconds before I actually come to a complete stop. But in that time that I have the clutch in, the car sometimes will drop down to 600 RPM, where it should, because that's like the idle, like approximately 600. And then it will drop below that number for like a split second, and then it will just drop to 0, and then the car will die. I'm not sure why it's doing that. So VMP told me to go ahead and perform a data log for them. And if you guys are curious what program I'm actually using, it's called, oh, there it is, Live Link Gen 2. That is the program that VMP has told me to use, and previously when I had Bama, they told me to use the same thing. So, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the first data log here. Basically, it's gonna be a slow rev from idle all the way up to 5,000 RPM, and it's basically just going to have it over a course of 30 seconds. So here we go. Start at so that was the slow rev. I'm sorry, I apologize guys, I have to use the phone again because for some reason I thought I turned my camera off, but I guess I didn't, and it died on me. Apparently GoPro batteries don't really have a very long life, so I think I'm gonna go buy some more later. Okay, now save this guy, save all, and then it's gonna go into, yep, my documents. Guys, so that was just the wide open throttle pull. Was in third gear, started off at 1,000 RPM, went up to red line. So at no time did I ever go over the speed limit, so yeah. But that was time to get coffee. What's up? How's it going, man? Oh, you know, it's going. Where's the Shelby at? I might have passed it. Oh, for the back.
way that it's going to be more guiding and directing others. I'll see you later.
What's up, Carrie? Loving taking this thing everywhere, aren't you?
Come on, go.
It was the first time I've ever taken this car.
I keep getting asked, where's my Mustang? Where's my Mustang? Why didn't I bring my Mustang? Viper, Mustang. I mean, which would you take? Not your Mustang, my Mustang. If my Mustang was your Mustang. It's not rude, it's the truth.
I would definitely take this one.
There's nothing to be rude about when you got 500 plus horsepower with the same amount of torque. Yeah, it's just too much fun not to drive it. And I told my husband I was taking her out for this.
What is going on, guys? So we made it out here to Detail Garages, Rides, and Coffee. I don't know if you can see it over there, the little logo over there. But anyways, so we're out here. We got a lot of cars out here. Carrie came with her husband's beautiful Dodge Viper over there. Of course, the one car I always bring, the only car, Eloise. And we got a couple of guys here from the Mustang group. Okay. And that is a really bad lighting. Hold on 1 second. I don't want to get this guy's picture, but this is a beautiful Viper as well. Just the beauty behind just the craftsmanship of these cars are amazing.
Well, this thing sure is dirty.
And the shitty part is that Dodge does not make these anymore, and
I
it's
mean, I feel like every
a
car
shame.
out here is hauling pretty dirty.
Yeah, I wonder if we could get that off of the detail.
I'm gonna take a break real quick. I'm gonna go inside, get some supplies, and I'll come back out and continue recording. So hold on. All right, guys. It is about nearing the end here. We still got another hour and a half that this event's still going on. As you can see, there are still a lot of people here. But I think I'm gonna head out because I am hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet. All I've had was a cup of coffee and that was it. So I'm gonna get some food and then see what the day has to bring today. Hopefully it's nice and quiet. Peace out.